After 20 years of frustration with packing in our marriage, I have now been banished to pack for myself. So here is all of my boy-style packing of clothes to go on an 8-day cruise. And I am going to use this cool new kit to suck it down to nothing. I'm going to jam it all into a carry-on. I'm going on an 8-day cruise, but darn close to being able to be on a carry-on. But in any case, let's suck this stuff all down and pack it up in my bag, see how I did, boy style. My wife has great taste in clothes. That's why she loves me, even though she's neglecting me right now as we speak, making me do this stuff myself instead of taking care of it for her loving husband. Comment below if you've been neglected by your wife, or vice versa. Have you neglected your husband and done this to him? Because this is not appropriate behavior. In this kit, there are two sizes. There's 2-gallon size, 3-gallon size, and it comes with its own little fan. Let's see if it's got some juice. Let's get to work. Let's try to 2-gallon all of our shorts. Oh yeah, 2-gallon will do shorts, no problem. Wow, this is big. I don't know. What do you think, Sunday? Do you think we could get this all into a carry-on? It's got to be pretty close. Oh no, because if we jam it all in there, it's not all going to close down. It's all right, so we'll do... Zip it shut. Take the cover off the valve. 1 2-gallon bag. This is so easy and kind of fun. Trying to decide if for shirts we should be going 3-gallon or if this will work in 2-gallon. I'm curious how big 3-gallon is, so let's just do it anyway. Oh, this is substantially larger. Now the key thing is if you're going to do this boy style, you just pick up the whole pile, slide it on in there. Okay, so we got 1, 2 bags, 3 bags. I actually have to say I like the 3-gallon size a little better because you could just be a little more lazier with your organization in there. You just throw it in there. This is it. It's all packed. 4 bags, 5 minutes, and I'm packed. This man says, don't treat me like a pariah no more. I can pack like a big boy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8-day cruise right there. I do almost think that could fit in a carry-on bag, but I got lots of other camera equipment and stuff to bring. I hope this has been helpful. I hope you ladies learn to treat your men with a little more love and care, because we really just like those sweet little things when you love and take care of us. And men, if you have to take care of yourself like me, this is the way to do it with these suction bags. If you want to get these suction bags, there's a link there on the screen. There's another one down below. That'll get you the most current pricing. I do need to tell you this company provided these to me to do these, and I am thrilled. This is freaking cool. You watch the whole thing from me taking it out of the box and sucking everything out, and it's all ready to go on vacation now. So you should definitely get that for yourself. If I've added some value here, remember to like the video, follow the channel, and put in the comments where are you going on your next trip? Because you're watching this because you're planning on going somewhere. You're looking to see if this is going to work for your packing. Where are you going? I'm going on a cruise, 8 days, right here in this little pile. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video. This is the final step. We are going to return home from our vacation, and I'm going to actually show you the difference between using packing cubes, a generally accepted great organization technique, versus using the vacuum bag. Inside of here is all my folded shirts that I want them to stay nice and folded. Inside of here, socks and underwear, which are clean, and I want to keep them separate so my beautiful wife doesn't have to wash it all again when we get home. So what do you say we compact this packing? Simple demonstration. We're going to take the whole bag.
Okay. Wasn't expecting that.
We got the whole bag in. We got the other whole bag in.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we got 2 bags.
Okay.
2 packing cubes. Let's see if I can still seal them up here. And it looks good to me so far. So this is still natural packing cube amount of space. This is now how much space it's going to take up in my bag.
Definitely shrinks it a lot.
Shrinks it a lot, right?
Yeah, and I do have a tip too. See how there's these bulges and stuff, and if you really want it to sit flat while the machine is on, you push on these certain areas, which is what I do. Push on the certain areas and you can make it flat. I mean, you can still
make it flat already.
You can still make it flat now, but that's what I kind of do. So when you're putting it in the suitcase, they stack a little easier. You don't have to find all of the crevices. So
while we return it to the original size, I'm going to tell you there is a link down below to get these. You should absolutely get them. They are ridiculously good, ridiculously helpful. Here we are back to the original size of how much room this is going to take in Nikki's bag, as opposed to how much room it's going to take in Dennis's bag. So you should definitely get these. There's a link on the screen. There's one down below. I do need to remind you they were provided to me to do this review, but they gave me no instructions, and it actually really works well. If I've added some value here, remember to like the video, follow the channel, and put in the comments where are you traveling, because I know you're traveling somewhere. That's why you're shopping for this. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.